In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 real use cases for complete beginners in OpenClaw. Number 1, a daily memory tracker that makes your OpenClaw 10 times smarter. It remembers everything every single day. Number 2, we're going to show you how to create a trending content alert system that keeps you on top of any viral posts that are relevant to you because OpenClaw knows you. Number 3 is vibe coding micro apps. So basically you tell your AI to build a tool relevant to you and it just does it, completely autonomous, and you don't have to do anything. So let's get into it. So before we jump into use case number 1, this is how I'm running OpenClaw. I'm using Inclaw AI. You can use OpenClaw with no setup required. That means no technical stuff, no SSH, no Docker, no nothing. You don't even have to worry about maintenance. It's all right here. And also you don't have to worry about how powerful your computer is either. So click on try OpenClaw now. Simply sign in using Google. And then you just pick a plan and suddenly, boom, you have an OpenClaw instance up, running, ready to go. The link will be in the description for Inclaw, so definitely go and check them out. So let's get into the use cases. So let me first show you the power of this memory tracker. What did I do last Tuesday, and also where are all my daily memory briefings saved? Right, here we go. It's already done. So if we scroll up here, we can see it's storing every single day inside of memories a new file for every memory. And then here it's going to tell me exactly what I've done. So on the 31st of March, we created our command center. We've done a bunch of sponsors work as well. And it's even given me a nice little summary here as to what we've done, which is so important to keeping track of what you've done. When you're using AI, sometimes you feel unproductive, but you've done so much. So how do you actually set this kind of thing up where we can see this for every single day? Well, we can simply put in this prompt, which I will leave below. Set up a daily memory system for me. Create a memory folder if it doesn't already exist and use dated markdown files. And then we give it a basic structure for what to use here. So what we covered, decisions, what we shipped, what's next, etc. And then a few extra bits here. Now, if you're brand new to OpenClaw, you won't have any memories, but that's completely fine because all you have to do, right, is you can come and open up, say, Claude Code, just like this here. And then all we have to do here to extract our memories from Claude to then bring it into OpenClaw is say, get a daily briefing for every day we've worked together and put it into this format, and the output, put it straight to my clipboard. And we'll paste that in, and then we'll paste in the formatting, send that in, and then it will go away, and for every single day it will create this format. And because it will go directly to my clipboard, I can then just paste it directly in here so that OpenClaw then has all of our context from Claude Code, and then we can just start using OpenClaw all day, every day, and it will know exactly what we've done. And now the power of this here isn't just to know so that you know, but so that then you can keep track of things that are happening. For example, next we're going to show you in a minute this sponsor pipeline that it created for me to help manage my sponsors. The reason it knows that that's something I struggle with is because of what we do every single day. So it gets to know you, and that's the power of OpenClaw and these types of AI assistants. So next up we're going to look at trending alerts. So you can see on the right hand side here, we're communicating directly with OpenClaw from Telegram, just a nice simple messaging service. Now on Inclaw AI's homepage, you can see that it works with WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, iMessage, and Signal. Meaning here, I'm using Telegram because it's nice and simple, but on your mobile phone, you could now get your trending alerts for what's relevant to you because it knows you based on your memory. You can now get that directly to like your iMessage, which is crazy. What's the latest? What's happening? What do I need to know? Or configure it so that it can just tell you what is new. So here we have a mini trends alert. Inclaw security drama. There you go, the vulnerability, but not to worry because Inclaw is just going to fix it for you. Automatic maintenance. Whereas if you've done this yourself, it'd be harder. Anthropic versus OpenClaw. Data breach. Apple signs this. There we go. And then a couple of emerging things as well. Now this is just personalised to what I've been talking about recently. To you, it will be personalised as well. And how do you set something like this up? Well, first of all, you set up Telegram. Super simple. You can come over to channels and actually set it up inside of channels here, or just inside of OpenClaw, you can just tell it here, set up my Telegram, and it will literally tell you step by step how to do it. Or iMessage, or whatever it is you want to do. But to get this type of alert, and again I'll leave the prompt below, you just do something like this. Set up a trending content monitor for me, use web search to check for trending topics, blah blah blah. Run this every hour using cron. For each check 3 to 5 things that are genuinely gaining traction, blah blah blah. Send one to my Telegram with a headline where it's trending, one take and why it matters, a link to the source. For the where it's trending, this is completely up to you. And if you put in, say, like X, Reddit, YouTube, it will try to use those APIs and it will ask you for them, so you can go and set them up. But if you don't add in anything, it will just automatically search the web by itself, because OpenClaw is an AI agent that already is configured to work. And the best thing about this here is, as you'll know from the channel, I don't want to manage more things. I just want more automatic information personalized to what I need to know based on what I do. Because OpenClaw or Claude Code or whoever it is your AI assistant, all these memories are now in OpenClaw and it can just tell me directly, saving me hours of scrolling through X, Reddit, YouTube. And you know what? No more. You don't even have to come on here. You can stay completely on your phone, iMessage, whatever it is. And now finally here we have vibe coding micro applications. So here we have a sponsor pipeline where we can actually come in and see the deals that we have. Now this is all pushed directly to GitHub, which I always say is like Google Docs for code. And then here this is published directly to Netlify, which is a completely free way to just have websites up and running on a .netlify.app. And this can all be configured directly inside of OpenClaw. Now, you probably don't want a sponsor pipeline, but you do want an app that's customized to you. This is the importance of this memory stuff. So here you can do something like, based on what you know about me, my projects and my workflows, what micro app could we build right now that would genuinely improve my day-to-day? Think small and practical, something I'd use every single day. So get the idea, build it and push it to a GitHub repo so it auto deploys to Netlify. And here I'll just remove that and just let it decide for us. And this is the exact prompt that I'd put in, and it went away, thought about it, and came back with this sponsored pipeline, which then is pushed directly to Netlify and in here. So let's add some directly from here and they'll reflect in the website. So all we have to say is something like, add in the last couple of deals I've been working on, but redact the number and the name, just make them up, because this is for a demo video. And then all we have to do is send that in, and it will go away now and actually figure out to update this GitHub code, which will automatically then reflect in this site here. And boom, there we go. So it's automatically added in all of these people. Now, none of these numbers or names are real, but it gives you an idea as to how it can go directly from the chat to the pipeline. And the idea here then is that when you're continually chatting to OpenClaw, it will then automatically update this sponsor pipeline, so you can always just come here and see how your sponsors are getting on. It's limitless here what we can do with OpenClaw. And the best way to use it, honestly, is to just keep using it like a personal assistant and do what I've been telling you today. Leverage memories, make micro applications, and use Telegram for alerts. These are the building block fundamentals of the future of personal AI assistants, which will give you, honestly, like 10x leverage right now compared to people who are not using it. So make the most of it. Go check out Inclaw AI, get it set up. Don't worry about using a VPS. Don't worry about maintenance. Let Inclaw do it for you. They will be linked in the description below. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.